Good morning. This is a new video and this is on the Sn1 reaction mechanism. So the Sn1 is a substitution, again like similar to the Sn2, but the mechanism is slightly different. Normally this happens on either secondary or tertiary alkyl halides. In this case we're going to use a tertiary alkyl halide. We are using a bromide and we're going to react it with a weak nucleophile. So weak nucleophiles are usually either water, can be alcohols. The overall product of this reaction is actually the classic substitution. So this reaction is used to make, in this particular case, alcohols. As usual, we're going to redraw our original molecule in such a way that we can fully understand every bond at the alpha carbon. The alpha carbon is the carbon bonded to the leaving group. We draw the lone pairs. Now in this reaction, the first mechanism is ionization of the substrate. So under the reaction conditions, the starting alkyl halide will ionize and the bond between carbon and halogen breaks apart. So this gives us basically two compounds. We're going to get a carbocation which is going to be a carbon that has lost an electron, so it's going to be positive, plus we're going to have a Br the left, which is going to be a Br minus. This is usually the first step of the reaction. In the second step, the carbocation reacts with the nucleophile, which is a weak nucleophile like water. We could also use alcohols. So what water is going to do, water is going to attack the carbocation, thus forming a new bond. Now the new bond we're going to highlight in red, and then water is going to be attached. Now the oxygen used one lone pair, so now it's going to be positive. This is not yet the final product, as we need to kind of use another molecule of water to deprotonate this intermediate. So oxygen takes the extra hydrogen and the electrons fall back onto the oxygen of our starting material to make it into the final product. So the final product is going to be an alcohol. And the side product is going to be H3O+. So overall in the reaction, we have like a weak nucleophile interacting with either a secondary or tertiary alkyl halide. The weak nucleophile can also be, besides water, and alcohol, usually. And the carbocation is the key limiting step of the reaction. Basically, the faster the carbocation forms, the faster and better the yields of the reactions are going to be.